How's it going, guys? Happy Thanksgiving. So let's talk about JASMY. Obviously, I think the volume might be a little bit lower today because of Thanksgiving. But yeah, I would say obviously this downtrend you're way above it. So maybe you'll use that support. This trend line, I didn't change it because I think when you start changing trend lines, it just doesn't mean that. I just don't think. I think that it validates the trend line. So I'm still having this downsloping trend line. I still think the trend is short term down. Um, do I think you go back down to 13? No. And I don't even think you break 17 because we do have a fib here at 17. It's a 0.76. And I don't know. If you keep testing the 17-cent level, you're going to break it to the downside. The next target is 13 cents. Where you have a local low. If you break 13 cents, next target is 11 cents. I don't think you go below 11 cents. What I would love to see is in a worst case scenario would be a bounce at 13 for a double bottom. But obviously, if you break 13, 11 cents would be next. And I definitely, like I said, don't think you go below 11 cents. 11 cents would be a lower low from here, but I don't think you go below 11 cents. Because on the daily time frame, the reason I don't even think you break 17 cents though is because on the daily time frame, the MACD is turning up. Today it does look a little bit red, but obviously in the last few days it's going up, and I do think it's about to turn bullish here on the daily time frame the next week or so on JASMY, especially as we go into December, which I think will be parabolic for crypto. I think JASMY is only going to go up, and I think $1 could honestly happen for JASMY in the next 6 weeks. So I know that sounds crazy from today's price, but that's a 5x, and crypto's crazy. And I do think in the next month for sure you go back and make a new all-time high above 35 cents. So that's about all I got. I would say I think the low is in at 17 cents. Actually, technically the low is 13 cents, but I think the recent low is in at 17 cents. And if I'm wrong, 13 cents will be next, and then 11 cents. But I don't think you go any lower than that because obviously the MACD is looking bullish, and the smaller time frames are looking good too. Not so much on the MACD, but I believe even the GON fans haven't reset on the 1 hour chart. But I think the bottom is in locally at 17 cents. That's all I got. See you guys in the next one.